Mrs. Johnson's class? 4.6, add and subtract mixed numbers, can you?
Yes.
All right, we're going to look at our vocab words and skip around. An improper fraction is a fraction in which what is bigger than what? Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Awesome. Fraction is simply what kind of problem? How do we convert a mixed number to an improper? You do that around the world, right?
Yes.
Good enough answer for me. Good. Number 6. We're going to read this together. Everyone's going to read at the same speed. No one's going to go too fast or too slow. On the count of 3, let's read it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
When adding and subtracting mixed numbers, you must convert to improper fractions first.
So you need to convert to improper fractions first. So when you look at number 7, it was 2 1/2 plus 1 1/2, right?
Yes.
So immediately you know that they need to be converted to improper fractions using what method? And once I converted them to improper fractions, what did you notice about the denominators?
The same.
Therefore, can we just add the numerators then?
Yes.
So 5 plus 3 is,
8.
my denominator stays the same, right?
Yes.
Is this my final answer?
No.
Why can't that be the final answer? It can be reduced, but it's also what?
Improper.
It's also what?
Improper.
That's an improper fraction because our numerator is bigger than our denominator, right? So in order to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, we do what process? Division, right? And actually, did we get a mixed number or did we just get a nice whole number?
Whole number.
All right, here we go. We're going to go through a long one of these problems. We're going to add 6 1/4 to 2 1/9, okay? Can I add 6 1/4 and 2 1/9 in their current form?
No.
We need to convert them to what?
Improper fractions.
And what process are we going to use?
Around the world.
So once we did around the world, we got 25 over 4. We dropped our plus sign, right?
Yep.
And we got 19 over 9, right?
Yes.
After we have those improper fractions, what do we notice about our denominators?
They're not the same.
So they're not the same. So what method are we going to use to get the same denominators?
Bubble method.
Bubble method. So 4 and 9 actually have what as a multiple?
36.
36. So I make my bubbles, right? And how do I get from 4 to 36? What do I multiply by?
9.
And so if I multiply the bottom by 9, I multiply the top by 9 too, right?
Yeah.
Can I use my calculator because it's a big number, 25 times 9?
Yes.
Okay, how do I get from 9 to 36?
4.
So what do I multiply the top by?
4.
Can I use my calculator?
Yes.
Now my denominators are the same. Can I use my calculator to add my numerators?
Yes.
Is this my final answer?
No.
Why can't that be my final answer? It's an improper fraction, right? So I use what to change it to a mixed number?
Division.
Division. May I use my calculator?
Yes.
This is my final answer. It's 8 and 13 over 36, right?
Yes.
What do you notice about these two numbers if I just do a quick estimate? What is 6 1/4 plus 2 1/9 as a quick estimate?
8.
Is this answer pretty close to 8?
Yes.
We feel okay with this?